Hi, I'm Haley Easley. I'm the Executive Director of the Austin Asian Community Health Initiative, and welcome to our office. So this is our conference room turned client meeting room. We've kept this space flexible so that we can maintain social distancing during the pandemic. As you walk in, we have available for our clients some face masks, gloves, and hand sanitizer. You might hear our air purifier. We have HEPA air purifiers in every single room to help circulate and filter the air. At our meeting table, we have our acrylic barrier and some sanitization products to make sure we can clean after every meeting and stay safe. When clients meet with staff, they sit on opposite sides. Whenever they have online work to tackle, they'll use these computers to do things like filling out applications, providing documentation, and scheduling appointments. And they can do it together on these shared dual screens with screen mirroring. We also have signs, flyers, and brochures in multiple languages to direct clients to helpful community resources.
Hi, I'm Sonia, the Executive Coordinator at AACHI, and I'll be giving you a tour of our lobby area. So over here to our right, you're going to find our offices for our admin staff, our program manager, program coordinator, and myself. There are white noise machines outside each door to safeguard the privacy and confidentiality of our clients and staff. And over here, we have our locking cabinets to ensure safe storage of our client files. When our community health navigator staff are meeting with clients outside the office, they use locking storage cases to transport the private information back to the office. Due to the success of our community health navigation program, we're actually running out of room as our clients' numbers continue to grow, and we'll have to purchase another cabinet by the end of this year. Over here in our storage area, we have ample supply of PPE to distribute to our staff and clients. So right here you'll see disposable masks, we have K95 masks, disinfectant wipes, disinfectant spray, hand sanitizer, and more PPE down here including gloves and thermometers. We recently expanded our office to accommodate the growing CHN program. Here is where our navigators will work on their client files, their case notes, data entry, and call clients or community partners. We chose cubicle partitions to enhance privacy and to provide a physical barrier to enhance safety related to COVID-19. We also use Google Calendar to schedule in-office time around each other to social distance until it's safe to work around each other again. While our office is our home base, our CHNs actually do the majority of their work out in the field in the community. A lot of our clients are elderly, they're recent immigrants, or they live in single transportation households. So we often try to meet them where they are or provide them transportation whenever there aren't other options available to get to their doctor's appointments or other appointments. Access to transportation is a major barrier to health for our clients. This is especially culturally relevant to particular communities where it's not customary for women to drive. So navigators are provided with this physical barrier to section off air in the vehicles in addition to masking while serving clients. Thanks for taking a walk with us today. You can find us out in the community at events, or you can come to our office now that you know what it looks like.